How to set up the Java home variable. Hello everyone and welcome to this new video about Java. Today we will set up the Java home variable. The Java home variable is necessary to connect the IDE to the JDK so that you can start programming in IntelliJ. To follow this video, you should have already downloaded the JDK. If not, go look at the specific video about it. Press Win plus R, you will see that the search line will pop up. Type sysdm.cpl and press enter. Go to the advanced table and click on environment variables. Under system variables, click new. Write Java home in variable name and find the directory where you downloaded the JDK. Usually, if you don't change it, the JDK will be in this directory. In path variable, click edit . Add Java home/bin. Click OK 3 times and restart your PC. This is all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.